Okay, in this tutorial, we'll be making a basting stitch template. And to do that, you'll need marking pencils, you'll need a basting stitch guide sheet, you'll need a 10 by 10 square of muslin, and 2 paper clips. So we're going to go ahead and get started by securing our muslin on top of our basting stitch guide sheet. So I'm going to take the paper clips on each side, right at the top. All right, once that is in place, we're going to go over each marking with our marking pencil. Now, marking pencils come in 2 colors, really more than 2, but you'll see these 2 most common, right? And the white is usually used for darker fabrics, but it will work on your template. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to use the blue because although I can see it, I don't think you'll be able to get a good view of that. So what we're going to do is mark over each stitch that we see under our muslin. We're going to keep doing this for 8 rows. Once you've completed your 8th row, then your basting stitch template is finished. And it should look like this. Notice how the basting stitch is about 1/2 of an inch. Each stitch is about 1/2 of an inch long.